ninja cat. Pepper is a ninja rat. Ninja cat. Woo! No, she really isn't. She's just a fat lump. Fat lump. Ninja cat. Ninja cat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow! Pepper. Jeez, that hurt. No. No. Oh, give her some privacy, you guys. Come on, seriously. No, I said Bella. Hello. Okay, I will touch you. And you will bite me, and you will love me, and you be a good kitty. Ow! Ow! Jesus Christ. Pepper, no. What's wrong with you? You see, at night, when my feet, they move while I'm sleeping, and she will grab my feet like that with her paws, and she'll bite them. And it hurts. It hurts my feelings. Whoa, she's a ninja. And she likes the ball. It's odd. Stop, cat. Bella, no! How ironic. My dog is chewing on a cat toy. I was looking for that. Bella, no, no, no. No, no, no. Pepper. Sneaky cat. Okay, ready? Okay, just any second. Oh, no, there we go. Wait for it. Whoa, bam! Whoa, chow, pew, pew, pew. Oh, uh-oh, oh, Bella. Oh, you want to play too? Oh, too bad. This is for cats. Oh, meow, meow. Hey, it's mine, you freaking weirdo. Meow, meow. Cat. Oh, my goodness. Ninja cat. Ninja cat appears. Boop. Bloop. Bloop, bloop. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. You will not let go, you freaking kitty cat. Oh, bow. Poor thing, she's so alone. Forever alone. Let go with your little... Don't touch me. Dun dun. This is a very big fail. Stupid book bad. Meow meow. Bloop. And that is Ninja Cat. Please subscribe, like it. It's like my first video, so okay. Au revoir.